Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Hayward Flow Sensor is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in maintaining optimal pool and spa performance, ensuring your filtration system operates at peak efficiency and your water remains crystal clear and inviting. This advanced piece of technology provides real-time data on water flow rates, alerting you to potential issues before they escalate into costly problems, thereby safeguarding your investment and guaranteeing a consistently enjoyable aquatic experience for you and your family. Number 5. Optimum Pool Technologies Flow Switch Assembly Kit. Ensure your salt chlorine generator is working optimally with this essential flow switch assembly kit. It's designed for easy installation and reliable performance. This kit is a compatible replacement for Hayward and Goldline saline generating systems. It's specifically designed for models like AquaRite and ProLogic. The arrow on the switch clearly indicates the direction of water flow, making installation straightforward. Proper installation ensures it functions correctly. Manufactured by Optimum Pool Technologies, this part is built for long life and consistent performance. Enjoy peace of mind with its durable construction. Please note this is a compatible aftermarket replacement. It is designed for specific Hayward and Goldline models and is not compatible with jacuzzi or other spa systems. This assembly is compatible with model numbers such as GLX-FLO-RP, GLX-FLO-RP, Q12DS-C2, and OPTFS. Always check your system's requirements. What we like. This replacement flow sensor is designed for easy installation with a clear indicator for water flow direction. If you're looking for a straightforward, compatible part to get your Hayward or Goldline system back up and running without hassle, this is a solid choice. It's ideal for DIY pool owners who want a reliable, no-fuss replacement. What people say. The installation was straightforward, and it fit exactly like the original. My saltwater pool system is running smoothly again, and the switch seems to be really solid and durable. This replacement switch worked perfectly. It was easy to install, including the wire that goes to the box having a couple of helpful features. First, the wire that goes to the main box was offset towards the side of the flow switch where the direction of flow goes, meaning that in my case doing an upside-down install without being able to see the arrows was easy to tell which direction was the right way. There were also two slightly raised arrows in the plastic to help line this up in the direction of flow. Second, the other end of the wire had a telephone line attachment that made it easy to insert into the box properly. Finally, the package shipped with the flow sensor attached to the cable, and a small roll of white tape to wrap around the threads to help prevent leaking. The whole thing took me about 15 minutes to complete. Works great and is a direct aftermarket fit to the very expensive Hayward branded product. Consumers purchasing OEM are simply paying for the name on this simple sensor. Number 4. Hayward AquaRite Saltwater Chlorine Generator. Enjoy consistently clear and clean pool water. This system automatically sanitizes pools up to 15,000 gallons, simplifying your routine maintenance. Experience significant cost savings compared to traditional chlorine methods. You'll get crystal clear water while spending less. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals. It produces chlorine from salt, making it gentler on skin and swimsuits, reducing dryness and fading. Maintenance is a breeze with its intuitive LED monitor and service alerts. No more mixing or measuring traditional chlorine. Integrating into your existing pool system is straightforward, requiring no extra plumbing. It automatically generates chlorine for you. What we like. Experience crystal clear pool water with significantly reduced costs and a gentler swimming experience. If you're tired of the harshness of traditional chlorine and want to save money on pool maintenance, this system is perfect for you. It's designed for in-ground pools up to 15,000 gallons, offering an automated and cost-effective solution. What people say. Big difference in the clarity of the water and algae growth since I bought it. Pool and the water is perfect. As it turns out, the salt reading on the digital salt meter and the Hayward are very close. I have a 3-year warranty on the Hayward, which is also reassuring. Now that I have this chlorinator running properly, it works great. Number 3. GLX-FLO-RP 15 feet cable flow switch replacement kit. Introducing the GLX-FLO-RP, a 15 feet cable flow switch assembly replacement kit. This essential part ensures your system operates smoothly. This specific model is the flow switch assembly without the T. It's designed for precise integration into your existing setup. It is engineered to be a perfect fit for your Hayward salt chlorine generator. Ensure compatibility and optimal performance with this replacement. The generous 15 feet cable provides ample reach for flexible installation. This allows for convenient placement of the component. Keep your Hayward salt chlorine generator running efficiently with this reliable replacement kit. It's built for durability and long-lasting use. What we like. This is a dedicated flow switch assembly, perfect for those who only need to replace this specific component. If your existing Hayward salt chlorine generator is functioning well but the flow switch has failed, this direct fit replacement with a 15-foot cable is what you need. It ensures your system continues to monitor water flow effectively. What people say. Seems a simple enough part, so I tried this one first and it works just fine. It cost more than other brands, but I did not want to take the risk. Also, this vendor had good reviews and a good return policy, which made me feel comfortable about this purchase. Once my pool was turned back on, within 15 seconds the flow switch kicked in and my no flow message disappeared. Number 2. Briidea Flow Switch for Hayward Goldline Systems. This device is designed to work flawlessly with any Hayward Goldline salt chlorine generator system. Enjoy peace of mind with its perfect integration. Easily replace your old flow switch with this compatible model. It comes with a T for a straightforward installation process. It's compatible with a range of popular systems including ProLogic, Mineral Springs, Aqua Plus, AquaRite XL, AquaRite Pro, and AquaRite. This essential component accurately monitors the water flow rate within your saltwater system. Ensuring optimal performance is now simpler than ever. We stand by our product with live customer support. If you have any questions or need assistance, we're here to help. What we like. This flow sensor offers broad compatibility with various Hayward Goldline systems and conveniently includes the necessary T for installation. If you're unsure about specific model compatibility or prefer a kit that simplifies the installation process, this is an excellent option. It's suitable for a range of users who need a reliable flow monitoring solution. What people say. The no-flow light started flashing and then it went out. At that point I knew it was worth installing the flow switch into the plumbing. It's a simple reed switch encased in PVC with a magnet to act on the reed switch when the water flows over the paddle. It only takes 2 wires, it's a simple on-off switch. This one works great. This flow switch is a much better design than the Hayward factory flow switch that it replaced. Hayward uses a cheap metal flapper switch instead of the hinged plastic that this switch uses. Therefore I do not see the switch corroding apart like the Hayward unit had done the last 3 times. Number 1. Hayward GLX-FLO-RP 25 temperature sensor. Introducing the Hayward GLX-FLO-RP 25, a vital replacement part for your Hayward AquaRite salt chlorine generator. This component ensures optimal performance and longevity for your system. This is a flow switch assembly designed for seamless integration. It's built to work specifically with Hayward salt chlorine generators, ensuring a perfect fit and function. It comes equipped with a generous 25-foot cable, providing ample length for flexible installation. This allows you to position it conveniently within your setup. Weighing just 3 pounds, this replacement part is both durable and reliable. You can trust it to maintain consistent operation for your pool's chlorine generation needs. Replacing your old sensor is straightforward with this unit. It's designed for a hassle-free installation, getting your salt chlorine generator back online quickly. Keep your pool water perfectly balanced with this essential component. It plays a crucial role in the efficient operation of your Hayward salt chlorine generator. What we like. Benefit from an extended 25-foot cable and an integrated temperature sensor for more precise system monitoring. If your pool equipment setup requires a longer cable run or you need to replace both the flow switch and temperature sensor, this assembly is a convenient all-in-one solution. It's ideal for those with specific installation needs or who want to upgrade their monitoring capabilities. What people say. Fixed my problem with my above-ground pool saltwater converter. It took 5 minutes to replace and worked immediately. Everything was turned back on. Works perfectly. I always go with the OEM rather than the aftermarket. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.